progress, and we had about 6.8 billion. In terms of absorptions, that was not also spent, Mr. Speaker. This should also be a good wake-up call that we would be asking ourselves why was it that in that year about 6.8 billion amounts of money was not spent, Mr. Speaker. As we look at this document, and as even we support it, Mr. Speaker, I feel indebted that this is a good foundation in which we are going to build a better strategies. We'll develop better strategies. We shall develop a better service delivery. We should develop better absorptions for our county in terms of the money that we have left in the county. It should actually be able to guide us. It should actually be able to help us. It will actually be able to help us so that we do better in the year that is going to come, even as we plan for the budget. Others, Mr. Speaker, I actually raised to support this great document, as we once more thank and congratulate the committee for the work well done in terms of analysis, sector by sector, sections by sections, department by department, and it is now our duty to actually pass it so that it sets precedent for the budget that is going to come. Mr. Speaker, I raise to support this motion. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. The member for Viwandani.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. And I want to support that the document is well illustrating on how we should improve our working forces and whatever. But, Mr. Speaker, I've gone up to page 54 somewhere. We are having where the committee have identified the challenges. And Mr. Speaker, when the chair was taking us through this document, there was a table of performance in our hospital in Nakuru County. And I'm so much surprised to see that though Naivasha Hospital is leading in correction on FIF or on source revenue, the challenge is that there is insufficient legal and enforcement frameworks and guidelines hindering the effective correction and management of on-source revenue. So I'm wondering what has brought the hindering, because as a member of Finance Committee, we have passed more than 2 motions here in this assembly, covering all these ways of losing our money. And Mr. Speaker, if you can recall well, the chair said that in Naivasha Sub-County Referral Hospital, there is pending, whatever bill, what do I call it? A pending bill that is amounting to more than 281 million. And if, Mr. Speaker, the delay in implementation, because these are the recommendations, that there is delay in implementing whatever this House has passed. Mr. Speaker, we are still going on facing these challenges. I also noticed that the chair said that we are having pending bills of 1.8 billion, 1.4 billion of contractors who have done surprise in this county, who have made roads, who have made schools, and other infrastructural needs. And Mr. Speaker, if these are the challenges that are facing our county, I don't see whether we are going to achieve, as per our document that has well illustrated, how we can achieve all these good days. Again, I've seen one of the challenge is lack of technical staffs. And in the same case, the chair has said as per our constitution, the wage bill should not surpass 35%. And the projection is that in this document, it is estimated to raise to 37.8. Again, and we have understaffing. So I'm wondering how we are going to achieve all these with all these challenges. But I hope that whoever is supposed to implement all what is in this document will help us to achieve the good thing that has been here. There has been inadequate financing and priorities of activities. So in our healthcare, I think, Honorable Speaker, we are supposed to have the best, because a healthy nation is a wealthy nation. Without good health, we cannot get wealth. So I want to urge the implementers, after we pass this document, please to speed up in implementing all what is here in good faith. And I think, Honorable Chair, we will achieve these good things that are compressed here. So thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, the Honorable Member for Viwandani. The Honorable Member for Nakuru East.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I stand to support this report. Mr. Speaker, sir, this report acts as a mirror of where we are coming from and the challenges that we are facing as a county. Mr. Speaker, sir, from the report we see that, and it is worth mentioning, Mr. Speaker, that devolution is at a risk because many of our problems that we are incurring as a devolved government are due to the delays from the national government. And I want to urge our honorable senators to act to protect devolution and to even to cushion us, because recently, from what the chairman has said, Mr. Speaker, we are looking at the financial year 23-24. And it's sad that in anticipation of what CARA passed in 2024-2025, this trajectory is going to be in a negative trajectory. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, it's my sincere wish to urge our honorable senators to cushion the county government, because we see we are trying. From what we have been told, when we came, we started from 1.6 on-source revenue, 1.8. We are now to 3 point something on-source revenue. I just want to urge members of the Finance Committee, let's work to provide oversight and see that our county government, we have potential. In the morning, Mr. Speaker, sir, what was laid here, the ADN, the Annual Development Plan, we have very good plans that we have put as a government. And if I can mention a municipality like Gilgil, Molo, there are some development that are being done in those areas. And we anticipate from those development, even the parking fees we are going to get, and we are going to add on our own source revenue. So it is up to the Department of Finance and the Committee of Finance to provide the oversight and see that indeed we maximize on our revenue collection. And I want to mention that from what we've been told about FIF, a lot of development and projects, we have set aside money for our hospitals. And in that, we anticipate to get back the FIF, our FIF, to increase, because most of our, if I can remember, an hospital like Maimahiu soon is going to be operationalized. From that, we anticipate we are going to add our own source revenue. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, these are very good mirror that we are having as a committee. I want just to say that this is a good job we are doing, and as we are anticipating for the budget paper to come in the next few weeks, we have a lot to consider and to put measures so that we can maximize what we have. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, as I support this paper.
Thank you. I will now, the Honorable Member for Viwandani, you...
Yes, I just want to let the House know that the brim should not be brought to Finance Committee because we have put measures. And I hope Honorable Kanyere from Nakuru East and other members have been always here when we pass this.
The Honorable Member, already you putting a case for yourself. Did I hear the Honorable Kanyere putting blame on your committee?
Yes, so, Honorable Chair, he addresses the Finance Committee, where I sit as the Vice Chair. And I've said here, it is on record, that we have many motions here we've passed on ways to curb the loss of money and revenue in our county. So it is now upon another committee of implementation to make sure that everything that has been passed here has been implemented fully. So Finance Committee, we have put measures and we are still pushing to see that everything that we have raised and brought here has been implemented. So it is our oversight role now as members of this assembly to exercise that oversight role, Honorable Speaker, to make sure that this county does not roast money in those other ways.
The Honorable Member for Nakuru East,
Yes, Mr.
does that
Speaker,
settle?
now that I've been mentioned, just give me a minute, Mr. Speaker, to respond. I was just urging the Committee on Finance, it's a collective responsibility, Mr. Speaker. It's not a blame that I'm putting on them, but rather I just want to urge them to work to the maximum so that you know, there are many loopholes, he knows what I'm saying, that are there. And as a committee, you need to do your job so that we can get our own source revenue on a rising trajectory. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The Honorable Member for Nakuru East, you said that he knows what you're doing. Does the House know what you're saying? Or?
From the reports that we are anticipating from them, I think the House will know. There are no reports that you are bringing to this House as a committee. It's high time you bring reports to that effect.
Thank you. That closes the issue of whether this committee is working. Order. The Honorable Member for Viwandani, that is closed. The Honorable Member for Amalo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Before I contribute, I would like to welcome the students and the teachers from Mema Secondary School. Karibuni sana. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want also to support briefly the county budget review on the outlook paper for the year 2023-2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want also to note that the committee has done a very brilliant and amazing job. Keep it up, and this is a good job. As earlier said by my fellow Mheshimiwa, this is really a true mirror of where we are going, where we are coming from, and it gives us direction on where we are going. Mr. Speaker, sir, I really want to touch on 2 or 3 sections. The first of all is the achievement from a very, very, very hardworking hospital, Olenguruani Sub-District Hospital. It is my hospital, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I am very, very proud of their work. And as said earlier by Mheshimiwa Langat from ASOP, that other hospitals, other facilities should really visit and see, do the benchmarking and see why are they improving so that we can collectively move forward. Much has been said, Mr. Speaker, sir, touching on several issues. I want to touch on a very, very important aspect on OSR, that's own source revenue. And said by the chair, we really need to tighten several leakages so that we can have effective collection, which can be well managed. As said earlier, on several points, that these facilities should, at each and every level, fund themselves. The money they contribute should really help them move forward on management, on development, and many, many issues. Again, Mr. Speaker, sir, the issue of bending bills is really serious on several points. We should find a way of taming the bending bills. This time, Mr. Speaker, sir, in some few weeks, we'll cross over to the next financial year. And Mr. Speaker, sir, because of some reasons, we will roll over quite big, huge chunk of money for unused works and services meant to be done in this financial year. So as we go forward, we really need to tighten all the loopholes so that we can really have very good management, and it will be very easy. Mr. Speaker, sir, I support. Thank you.
Thank you. I will now proceed to put it to question that this House adopts the report of the Committee on Budget and Appropriations on the County Budget Review Outlook Paper 2024, that is for financial year 2023-2024, laid on the table of the Assembly on Wednesday, 4th June 2025, during the morning sitting. As many who are of that opinion say aye. Aye. As many who are of contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. Next order.
Order number 9, motion.
There is a procedural motion by the Honorable, now on behalf of the Honorable Leader of Majority Party, who will be having the Deputy Leader of Majority Party, the Honorable Rose Gadani.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. On behalf of the Majority Leader, Honorable William Mutai, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 33, this House adjourns from today, Tuesday, 10th June 2025, to allow members to attend an official business in Nairobi, and further resolves to sit again on Thursday, 12th and Friday, 13th June 2025 at 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. I would request Honorable from Nakuru East, Honorable Geru, to support, to second.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I start to second that motion that we are given that time. Tomorrow we are having an engagement, a national duty engagement, and indeed it is good because it is for the betterment of people of Nakuru. And we are looking forward to come back here on Thursday to transact business of this Honorable House. Mr. Speaker, with that, I support. Thank you.
I will propose the question, the pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 33, this House adjourns from today, Tuesday, 10th June 2025, to allow members to attend to an official business in Nairobi, and further resolves to sit again on Thursday, 12th, and Friday, 13th June 2025 at 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. The motion is open for debate. The member for Lakeview.
Mr. Speaker, I want to stand here and support the motion for the sole purpose, Mr. Speaker, that we come to this August House to support the businesses of the people. And if members of this House have been called on a day that they should be working for an official duty for the benefit of their people, then they should go and perform those functions then, Mr. Speaker, because this is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. So we meet on Thursday morning. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. The Honourable Member for Amalo, and not Amalo, Mosop, and lastly the Honourable Member from Naiswit.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I also raised to support the motion that, of course, we have a duty that has come calling, and it came at a time when, of course, we already had a calendar in place. So, Mr. Speaker, in lieu to the pending businesses of this great house, it is part of our duty, and of course, being given a provision by the standing orders to request for a day to compensate for tomorrow, so that we can be able to meet the businesses in hand, Mr. Speaker. With those remarks, Mr. Speaker, I actually stand to support this motion as was laid by the majority leader. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, the member for Mosop. The Honourable Member for Naiswit.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I also want to stand and support this motion. As my colleagues have already stated that tomorrow is a day that we have to attend a meeting, which is so crucial to us all, and it really matters because of our county, Nakuru. What I can say is that it is good that also we have been compensated for those days which we missed. And I'm sure on Thursday we'll be here, as our colleagues have already stated, and ready to transact the business as usual and make sure that everything goes on well. So I stand to support. Thank you.
Thank you. I will now proceed to put it to question. That pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 33, this House adjourns from today, Tuesday, 10th June 2025, to allow members to attend to an official business in Nairobi, and further resolves to sit again on Thursday, 12th, and Friday, 13th June 2025, at 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. As many are of that opinion, say aye. As many who are of contrary opinion, say nay. The ayes have it. Next order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, those are the orders of the afternoon sitting.
Honorable members, this House is adjourned to Thursday, that is Thursday, 12th, 9:30 a.m. Thank you.